Those announcements are the election in the red
I
caps.
always do this. I always like sign up something and then I never think about the enormity of it until I see.
Yeah, 3Ks is a while.
Like,
Alright.
I haven't eaten anything. I've eaten like 3 jelly beans and a cup of water.
You got about 5 minutes.
What'd you have last night?
Huh?
What'd you have last night?
Chicken parmigiana.
Oh.
3 minutes.
Genevieve, she knows what's up.
Gentlemen, if you starter's gun, off they go. Men, 30 to 39, orange caps. Enjoy the experience. Welcome back, congratulations. Orange and red caps. 30 to 50-year-old age group.